He picked up 2 beanbags off the floor. Gonna throw them, Jacques? And then you can pick some up again. Okay, put some right at his feet so he can pick them up. Oh, okay. There's a couple right there. Pick them up. Oh,
Guys, don't forget more! Oh, yuck.
You see that? Woohoo! You can pick up beanbags off the floor. Yahoo! He's walking.
I put some hiding in the rock.
Wow. Good job, Zach.